Hey there! Welcome to NatureMumma. Carbohydrates are a major macronutrient and one of your body's primary sources of energy. Some weight loss programs discourage eating them, but the key is finding the right carbs, not avoiding them completely. You may have heard that eating complex carbs is better than simple carbs. But nutrition labels don't always tell you if the carbohydrate content is simple or complex. Understanding how these foods are classified and how they work in your body can help you choose the right carbohydrates. Fiber and starch are complex carbs, while sugar is a simple carb. Depending on how much of each of these is found in a portion of food determines its nutrient quality. Simple carbs are sugars. While some of these occur naturally in milk, most of the simple carbs in the diet are added to foods. Common simple carbs added to foods include raw sugar, brown sugar, corn syrup and high fructose corn syrup, glucose, fructose, and sucrose, fruit juice concentrate. Try to avoid some of the most common refined sources of simple carbs and look for alternatives to satisfy those sweet cravings. These are some common simple carbs you should avoid: soda, baked treats, packaged cookies, and anything which is made up of an insane amount of sugar. The more complex the carb, the better. Complex carbs pack in more nutrients than simple carbs. They're higher in fiber and digest more slowly. This also makes them more filling, which means they're a good option for weight control. The main sources of dietary fiber include fruits, vegetables, nuts, beans, whole grains. Starch is also found in some of the same foods as fiber. The difference is certain foods are considered more starchy than fibrous, such as potatoes. Other high-starch foods are whole wheat bread, cereal, corn, oats, peas, rice. Complex carbs you should eat more of. Be sure to include the following complex carbohydrates as a regular part of your diet: whole grains such as quinoa, buckwheat, and whole wheat pasta. Fiber-rich fruits, berries, and bananas. Avoid canned fruit since it usually contains added syrup. Fiber-rich vegetables, which include more of all your veggies, including broccoli, leafy greens, and carrots. Beans are a good source of complex carbs. Aside from fiber, these are good sources of folate, iron, and potassium too. Thank you for watching NatureMumma. Make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe to NatureMumma for more awesome content if you like the video.